Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avij here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today we have interview question on. Let me share my screen. Uh, how do you collect custom metrics from an EC2 instance using CloudWatch? Okay. How do you collect custom metrics from an EC2 instance using CloudWatch? So we'll discuss before discussing custom metric. We'll discuss also about default metrics. So by default, EC2 automatically sends basic system level metrics to CloudWatch. CPU utilization, network in out, disk read write. So these are the default metrics, basic system level metrics. And these are collected every 5 minutes by default, and it can be 1 minute with detailed monitoring. If you enable detailed monitoring, it will be 1 minute with detailed monitoring. But if you want more custom metrics like memory usage, disk space use, app specific metrics, etc., then install CloudWatch agent on EC2 instance. Because these metrics available at the OS level, so AWS is not able to collect this data. So at the OS level, it's available. So in the EC2, you have to install the agent. Agent will collect this data and push it to CloudWatch. So basic metrics already there by default: CPU utilization, network in out, disk read and write. But custom metric requirement, memory usage is not collected by default. So we have to install the CloudWatch agent. So install the CloudWatch agent. Okay, once you install the CloudWatch agent, then like this is the way you install the CloudWatch agent. Like install Amazon CloudWatch agent. Yeah, install if it's a Amazon Linux, and then CloudWatch agent JSON, for example. It is the JSON file you have to configure. You have to mention that you are interested in this main use percentage, and every 1 minute it is going to send that data. And then start the CloudWatch agent. You start the CloudWatch agent, and then you can create a CloudWatch alarm, like alarm, create alarm. And if it is more than 85%, send some SMS or email trigger. So if memory usage is more than 85%, send the trigger. So this is the way you can do that. But there is another way of CloudWatch collection. Like let's say you want to collect active users. So active user OS doesn't know. Only your application knows. Application knows how many active users are there. So application has to capture that data and push it to CloudWatch. So application will capture that active user, how many active users are there, and it will create a namespace, my app metrics, and there it's going to push that metric data, the count, right? So for example, you said active user, let's say 57, publish active user, and it is going to call this CloudWatch put metric. So it is going to call CloudWatch put metrics, Boto3 function, right? You have to input Boto3, CloudWatch handle you get, then CloudWatch put metric data. So you're putting that data to CloudWatch. From application, you are pushing that data. Then only it will be available in the CloudWatch. Memory, it's available in the voice. You don't need to do anything from your application. So first one is metrics. CloudWatch already know how to collect. For EC2, CPU utilization, disk read write, network in out. CPU utilization, disk read and write, network in and out. It already know. It doesn't need CloudWatch agent for that. And frequency is 5 minutes for basic monitoring, 1 minute detailed monitoring. Metrics and OS metrics, the OS knows, but CloudWatch doesn't collect by default. Is memory usage, disk space, swap usage, process count. These by default it doesn't know. That's the CloudWatch agent installed on this instance, it will collect it. So these require CloudWatch agent because AWS can't get from hypervisor. From hypervisor, it can't get that information. They live inside the OS. These are custom metrics in AWS terminal. Metrics only the application knows. Active user. OS also doesn't know. It's only active user know, because active user is maintaining how many active users are there. Like application is maintaining that how many active users are there, how many requests is getting, how many requests are cache hit ratios, right? How many error rates. So all these are getting captured in the your application. An application has to call that CloudWatch put metrics data. So in this case, you don't need the agent. So from application itself, it's getting pushed to directly pushed to CloudWatch. You don't need agent here because application directly pushing using this Bodo 3 agent. Okay, so next question is what is the default metric collection frequency in CloudWatch? So default metric collection, before that, we'll just watch a small video, short duration video, 55 seconds. So this video is contributed by Avantika. If you guys want to contribute any video, let me know. You can ping me a message. You can send me a message on the DevOps Challenge Hub page. Yeah, thanks Avantika for sharing this video.
Okay, so this is to check the default metrics collection time period. So now I'm in my CloudWatch. This is my metrics. So as you can see, this is the metrics for my CPU utilization on the EC2 instance. Now, as you can see, this matrix has been collected over here and shown in a graph. To check the default metrics collection frequency, I will go to graph metrics. And as you can see, this has a period of 5 minutes. Now this is a default at 5 minutes. I can even change to 1 second or to 30 days. It depends on which one I select.
Yeah. So the default collection is every 5 minutes, and then metrics can be collected every 1 minute. So we can configure them, right? For critical production instances, I enabled 1 minute monitoring, so we can detect spike faster, like sudden CPU which is that would be missed in a 5-minute average. So this is the way we can answer when we are going to collect 1 minute. If it is very critical, so we need more granular details, more detailed uh, observation. So if it is like a spike every one spike came and every 5 minutes we are collecting, we won't be able to catch that. Okay, so you can pause the video now and try to answer the question. Answer this quiz. Which EC2 metrics are collected by CloudWatch by default? CloudWatch by default. The correct answer is B. CPU utilization network in out, and disk read write. CPU utilization, network in and out, disk read write. How often how often does CloudWatch collect EC2 metrics by default? By default, every 5 minutes. Right? And if detailed monitoring is enabled, then 1 minute default. What is required to collect custom EC2 metrics like node usage? If I want to collect custom metrics usage, I need something that is agent, CloudWatch agent. You have to install CloudWatch agent on EC2 instance. What is the frequency of EC2 metrics with detailed monitoring enabled? Detailed monitoring, we know it's 1 minute. Detailed monitoring, frequency of collection is 1 minute. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow DevOps Challenge Hub LinkedIn page. I post quiz contests daily, and you can send me a message on DevOps Challenge Hub page if you want to contribute any video and on any area on the DevOps, AWS, or any other areas, any DevOps related thing. And you can also subscribe to WhatsApp channel, DevOps Challenge Hub. I post regular updates there. Thank you for watching this video. See you again.